Let me tell you about a great economical and financial boost due to Qurbani. Yes, because of Qurbani, because of Eid al-Adha, because of sacrifices which Muslims do around the world, what a great financial boost it creates. But how? Let me explain to you. Let's come from the main grassroots levels. Where the animals come from? The animals are raised by poor farmers at their homes, in their farms. They raise the animals up, the goats, the cows, and feed them and do everything. And then later on, the farmers, they go to these villages and purchase animals from them, pay them money. So they poor people, their pockets are filled with money now, and then those animals come to the farms. When they come to the farms, in the farms there are so many jobs created for looking after the animals, for security, for feeding them, and then many people get businesses due to maybe making shelters for them, making different things for the animals, ropes for the animals. So all those shops, all those suppliers around a farm, their pockets are also being filled with money now. Then from the farmers, then the people who are doing the Qurbanis, they go and buy those animals, and then many markets are open like that. So once those animals are purchased by the people who are basically going to do the Qurbani from their side, they are paying for those animals. So that means the farmers are getting money out of it. And then when they bring it, they also need food, they also need robes, they also need shelters. So they provide business to many other small suppliers and small businesses. And then later on, finally, the day of Qurbani arrives, in which the animals are slaughtered then. For slaughtering the animals, people hire slaughterers, people hire butchers. So butcheries are making money, the slaughterers are making money, the skinners are making money. On the grassroots level, the villages are making money. On the middle level, the farmers are making money. All the people around who are supplying food, who are supplying ropes, who are supplying the material for shelters, they are all making money. And then what happens once the slaughter is done? After the slaughter is done, the meat is sliced. It is packaged into kilograms of 5 kgs, 10 kg packs, and then distributed to the poor villagers. It is then distributed to those people who are unable to eat meat. So that means their kitchens are becoming full as well. And then the skin at many places in many countries is supplied to those industries who are producing leather. Then belts are made from that, many shoes are made from that, many jackets are made from that. So from A to Z, the money is coming out from the pocket of the rich people and entering into the pockets of the smaller people, entering into the pockets of those who are not that rich, who are actually struggling, who are actually poor. Look at the system which Islam has of Qurbani, a whole duration of few days, and such a great economical, such a great financial boost. This is one of the beauties out of so many other beauties of sacrificing the animal in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and commemorating the blessed day of Eid al-Adha in this mannerism. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also grant us the ability that we also do Qurbani wholeheartedly, thinking of all these benefits as well. You are not only spending an animal in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are also actually going to be playing a great role in this financial boost. Let's do Qurbani wholeheartedly.